I'm Cindy Diggs, and I handle family law cases in Houston, Texas. Grandparents and other relatives often seek custody of a child. So, what rights do these other relatives have with respect to the children? Well, it depends on who they're up against, and it also depends on the circumstances. The United States Supreme Court has upheld the fundamental rights of parents to raise their children and has ruled that a fit parent is presumed to act in the best interest of the child. So to win a custody battle against the parents, the relative has to prove that the parents are unfit. Only then may a court constitutionally grant custody to a relative in a disputed case. In a typical custody case between two parents, the court will normally make its decision based on what is in the best interest of the child. But that is not the case in a custody dispute between the parent and another relative. When another relative or a grandparent challenges custody against a parent, it's often an uphill battle. Of course, parents, for many reasons, sometimes enter into custody agreements with the children's grandparents or other relatives, and a court will honor an agreement of that type. But once an initial custody order is in place for the child, the rules may change for subsequent custody modifications. When custody shifts to the other relative, when the children are placed with the grandparents, for example, it may be more difficult in future years for the parent to return to court to attempt to regain custody. I'm Cindy Diggs with Holmes, Diggs & Eames.